Okay. So let me share my screen. I'll just get started actually. Hey guys, welcome back to our Excel class. And today we're gonna learn some more new and exciting things. And before we dive in, um, let me quickly give you a review on what we learned last time. Um, so basically, if you guys forgot or just need like a refresher, last class we learned the objective was for students to learn and create basic charts in Excel. And I kind of moved the subtraction part in Excel to today's class. So we'll learn a little bit more about subtraction today. But yeah, that's what we basically covered last class, just basic charts. And for today, we have two new topics to cover, which is subtraction and shapes in Excel. And what this will do is not only will help you with your math skills, but it will also allow you to make your spreadsheets in Excel more engaging and informative. So that means you can put more information in your cells or in your Excel sheet. Um, the importance of subtraction in Excel is like so it's basically that subtraction is a basic math operation that people use every day. And in Excel, we can use subtraction or we can perform subtraction really quickly and accurately using formulas that will help us do the subtraction for us. Um, this skill is really important because it helps us manage and helps us analyze our data really like well or efficiently. Um, for example, we can use subtraction to determine or calculate the difference between two values, such as tracking if we want to know how much money we've spent or how many times we've used our money. Um, so after subtraction, then today we're going to learn about shapes and creating shapes in Excel. First, we'll learn a little bit about the shapes and adding shapes to our Excel sheets can help make our data more visually appealing and easier to understand. Shapes can be used to highlight important information, to create diagrams, or just to make your work look a little more interesting or more professional. Whether you're working on like a school project or just preparing a regular report, knowing how to use shapes can enhance your or make your presentations or projects look better. Um, has anyone in this meeting used shapes before to decorate a project or just use it in like a drawing program or anything? Can I get a thumbs up or a yes in the chat? Just
I
so I
don't
know you
think
guys
so.
are familiar with these shapes.
I said I don't think so.
You don't think so? All right, it's okay because I'll just teach you today. But yeah. So here's what we're gonna do today. First, practice subtraction with some simple examples, and we'll be using data sets, which I'll show you what that is. And after that, we'll explore how to insert and how to format shapes, like circles, squares, triangles, and we'll even use shapes to highlight key data points in our spreadsheets, meaning we are going to use the shapes um, to basically like represent our data or show our data. By the end of the lesson, you guys should be able to subtract numbers and add up shapes to make your spreadsheets and your data stand out. And remember that it's okay to make mistakes and ask questions since we're all here to learn together. And I'm also here to help you. So just ask questions throughout the presentation if you guys um, are having any trouble. So we can get started right now. And yeah, so let's start with this. Let's start with basic subtraction. So everyone, please open your Excel program and create a blank spreadsheet. Oh, let me share my screen so I can show you. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen? Okay. All right. So basically what you guys are going to want to do is click on blank workbook. Um, and what that will do is take you to this tab. It'll a new book for you, which is where you can do all your stuff. Okay. This is where we're going to enter our data. Let me fix this because I can't find the ribbon. Always show. Okay. Tell me when you guys are at this page, okay? Just type in the chat or unmute. Um, okay. So subtraction in Excel is basically done using formulas. And what a formula is, it's a math problem that we type into a cell. And to subtract, we're going to type what's called an equal sign. You guys should be familiar with this. That's an equal sign. And I don't need that right now. Um, then the cell with the number we want to subtract from. So we're going to be using, wait, we're also going to be using this sign called a minus sign. And then the cell with the number that we want to subtract. So I'll give you a demonstration real quickly, a simple subtraction demonstration. Let's see. So in A1, let me type 15, just for example. In and in A2, I'll type 7. Okay. Now in A3, what I'm gonna do is type equals A1 minus A2. See how it has both of them highlighted in different colors? That means we have both of these, what these are called, they're called cells. So yeah, and it did our subtraction for us because look, equals A1 minus A2. It highlighted both A1 and A2 for us just to let us know that um, these are the numbers that we're using for our subtraction, and that these are the numbers that are going to be getting subtracted, okay? So yeah, do that. A1 minus A2, 15 minus 7, and that will give us 8. And just to make sure that's correct, if you guys, um, just for extra color clarification, You can do it in a calculator. So I'm doing 15 minus 7, and I'll get 8, even in the calculator. So that's why Excel is really powerful and can be used to do big or small calculations. And yeah, so I'm going to do a few more examples of this just so you guys get a little bit more familiar with it. But did everyone understand how to do this? And were you guys able to do it? Yeah? Thumbs up. Okay. Tanish, did you get it? Okay. Um, let's use another example with a list of numbers. So we're going to type these values in. Um, in B1, type item. In B2, type apples. Let's highlight one just so we like. Let's make it bold. To make an item bold, um, to make yeah our data bold, you're going to want to do this. Control B. Hold Control and also press B at the same time. This will make your text bold. Okay, and then we're going to go. Or there's also another way to do it actually. So for example, in F1, I'm going to type item. I'll just type actually example just to show you. And I want to select all of this. To select, hold down on your mouse and drag all the way to the end of the word. Then go to the ribbon in font, click on B, and that will make your text bold. And yeah, you can switch through having it bold or just keeping it a regular font. But yeah, so our item section in B1 will be bold, and in B2 we're going to have something labeled as apples because this is our first item. Then we're going to have in B3 oranges. In B4 we're going to have bananas. Okay, and in C1 we're going to have quantity. And do the same thing. Make in C1 for quantity, make it bold. Just highlight the entire thing. Select the entire thing or highlight it and make it bold, okay? Control B or just click this button right here. Okay, so under quantity in C2, we're going to have 20 in C3. So that means we have 20 apples in C3. We're going to put 15 just to represent that we have 15 oranges. And in C4, 10 to show that we have 10 bananas, okay? In Now in cell D2, what we want to do is we're going to type um, equals C2 minus 5, okay? So what this is going to do is for example, we can just up here how many or apples, I mean items given items that I have left. Because in this situation, for example, we can just say that I have 20 apples right now. I give so first type C2 because that's where we have our 20 apples. And then I give 5 apples to my friend. So we're going to type minus 5 because I gave 5 away to my friend. Enter, and we're left with 15 apples or 15 items. Apples. Yeah. Now let's do the same for oranges. We're going to type equals C3 because that's where our 15 oranges are, minus um minus let's do minus 4. 15 that's going to be 15 minus 4. We'll get 11 apples left because you gave 4 to your friends. Now for bananas, we can just do bananas 10 equals no, sorry. C um C4 because that's where our 10 bananas are, minus, let's just think of any number, like we gave 6 bananas to our friend, okay? So minus 6, click enter, and we'll get 4. So yeah, this is how many items we have left or how many fruits we have left. And if you guys want a little challenge, you guys can do this. You guys can do this. Equals. If you want to find out how many items you have in total or in all, you want to add all of this, which we also went over in the first class, but I'll go over it one more time. Equals sum. Um, you can do, yeah, and it's right here under next to the light bulb. Excel is so smart that it'll do it for us. We don't even have to type in the formula, but I'll do it anyways because just like to show you guys step by step. We're going to do parentheses. So this sign on your keyboard, shift number 9. And we're going to type D2 colon D4. And if you see it had once you typed all this out, it highlighted this whole column just so that the reader will know that the you as a person will know what numbers that have been selected and which numbers are being added. Okay. So click enter after you typed all this in and you'll get 30, which if I type in a calculator should be how much we have in total. Yeah, we have 30 fruits in total, okay? So fruits in okay, we have 30. But yeah, this is just another example of how powerful Excel is and how it can do any formula. Just type in any formula and it'll solve what you like want what you want it to solve. It'll do any addition formula, any subtraction formula. It also does division and multiplication, but we can get into that another class because right after this I'm going to get into shapes. But yeah, so let's delete all of this. To delete all of this, okay, first tell me, guys, give me a thumbs up if you guys got the lesson and were able to solve all of this. Okay, Tanish. Siddharth, thumbs up. Okay, I think that was a yes. But yeah, um, to delete all of this, you're going to want to highlight columns and rows 1 to 5 and columns B, C, and D. Highlight all of that. You can start from anywhere, just start from here and go up there. Right click your mouse or your touchpad and and there's a delete option right here. Just click on delete columns B through D and then boom, all your data is gone. If you guys accidentally deleted your data, you can do Control Z and then boom, all your data is back. But that's just in cases where you deleted all your data on accident or by mistake and you want to bring your data back. Okay. And yeah. Okay, so let's see. So I'll give you guys a few minutes to try this by yourself. If you need any help, let me know. Okay. So I'll type in the formula in the Zoom chat equals no equals. You guys can try out addition or subtraction. I'll give you guys 5 minutes just to try it out. Some hold on. Wait, why is my text? There. So I gave you guys a formula or an example of what to type in the cell. So let me know if you guys are having um any issues or if you guys need any help. Just raise your hand and you guys can share your screen. Here, I'll put a demonstration actually. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And wait. Are you guys trying this out? Or do you guys need any help? just raise your hand if you guys need any help. Okay. I'm
You,
gonna actually I'll just teach
you
you
need
guys
help, you can
about that
ask.
right now.
I need help.
You need help?
Yes.
Okay. You want to share your screen, or do you want to just do you want to share your screen, Siddharth?
Hit the screen to that.
Okay, I'll let you guys share your screen. Let me actually figure out how to do this. Okay, there, Siddharth. Share your screen. Okay, quantity. 20, 15, 10, 7. Okay, so you have two quantity rows. You can delete the last one. I don't know
Delete.
why that one is over there.
No, you have to put like this. Delete.
Yeah.
What did you do? Hmm.
Okay. So, um, next to go to E2 and type equals. Go to E2, Siddharth. E2, yeah. Type in equals. Now type in B2 minus C2. Enter. See, you got 5. And now do the same thing for B3 equals B3. No. Go back. Yeah, go to E3. Now type equals B3 minus minus C3. Enter. There. Now for the last one, and go to yeah, stay there,
Equals.
equal sign. B4 minus C4 equals,
Equal.
like, enter, click on enter. Just enter. Yeah, you got that. Okay. And now, yeah, that's basically it. You have all your data, okay? If you want to add all of that up, go to yeah, stay in E5, click equals, type sum,
SU. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, wait.
I think so. Something.
So you need a parentheses. I don't know how I can show you how to do that, but can guys gonna share my screen real quickly?
Yes.
Yes.
Get up.
Okay,
You have to focus.
4, 6.
Don't touch. Don't see.
Okay, let me show you guys how
Yeah,
to do it.
usually you have to understand.
So you guys have 5, 4, and 6, right? You're going to go here, click equals, sum, parentheses. For me, it's A1, and then colon A3. For you guys, it's going to be different, but just select what this is located, where this is located. For me, it's A1. For you guys, I think it was F or E, I forgot which one, but just select the number, select the cell,
Equal
location,
to, right.
colon, and then the last cell location. Click enter, and you'll get a sum of all of this. Okay,
E.
did you get it?
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay,
E4.
that's good. Good job. Tanish, what about you?
6, 4, 5, 15. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Don't do like this. See, watch that. It's teaching you. Don't do it. It's open.
Okay, I'm muted. Okay, guys, let's get into shapes now, I guess, because I think we already got the basics of. Oh, first, let me teach you guys about minimum value and maximum value. Um, okay, so type in values up here. B values, highlight that values. We're going to type in random numbers. Just type, or you guys can follow me. 19, 17, 20, 15, 4, 10, 18, and 16. Okay? Type in all of those numbers, okay? And then we'll get to the minimum and maximum values. And I'll show you what that does in a second. Tell me when you guys got all this, okay? Just give me a thumbs up. Did you guys get all the numbers? Tanish? Okay. Anish got it. Siddharth, did you get it? Thumbs up or a yes? Or just unmute? Tanish, did you get it? Okay. If you guys need help, unmute and just tell me, okay? So yeah, so now that we have all our values in this column right here in under A1 under values, we have all our values right here. We're going to type equals min, which is, or you guys can do min A2 colon A9. Okay. So what this is going to do, okay, click enter. What this is going to do is give us our minimum value in this entire column. It's going to give us basically our smallest number or our most minimum value, which minimum means smallest, okay? So click enter and we'll get 4 because look, 4 is right here. That's our smallest number from 1 to 20. And 20 is our maximum number. So let me put it over here just so it looks better. Min, and max. First, our minimum, 4. Max. So for our max number, we're going to do equals sum. Wait, not equals sum, sorry. Equals max A2, just like we did for minimum, A2 to A9. And then A2 colon A9, close the parentheses, and equals, we'll get 20. And why did we get 20? Because 20 is our largest number in our values, okay? In our data, 20 is our largest number. And that's why we got 20 when we entered the formula for maximum value. Does anyone need help? Let me enter the formula in the chat just for you guys. Okay, equals max. Tanish, did you get it? Siddharth, did you get it? Anish, did you get it? Just type yes in the chat. Okay. Okay. Let's get into shapes. Before I delete all this, I just want to make sure that all of you guys understood it and you guys don't have any questions. So let me know. I'll give you guys a minute. Just let me know if you need any question, if you have any questions before I delete this. Or you know what? I'll just create a new sheet. Okay, yeah, you guys can create a new sheet. Just go down here and click on this plus button. There's a little plus right here. Click on that and you guys will get a new sheet. I don't need this, so I'll just delete that. But yeah, I'm staying on sheet 2 right now because in sheet 1 I have my data for minimum and maximum values. So I'm gonna stay in sheet 2 for you guys. And this is where we are going to discuss shapes. Let's see. Did you guys get this? Are you on sheet 2? Is everyone on sheet 2? Yeah, okay. Um so guys, on sheet 2, we're going to go up here to the ribbon, click on insert, the insert tab. We're going to go to the section where it says illustrations. There's a section for illustrations, and in illustrations there are pictures and there are shapes, okay? We're going to click on shapes. And when you click on shapes, you can see that it shows a bunch of different types of shapes. There are speech bubbles, thought bubbles. Here's a thought bubble. Here is a speech bubble. See? Looks kind of cool. And what you can basically do, for you guys, I'll use a simple rectangle, or you guys can use an oval right here. But yeah, I'll use a rectangle. So yeah, what you guys can do with the rectangle, basically, what you can do in Excel is see, look, it looks kind of like a square right now. What you can do is you can change the size of the shapes. You can stretch it really far. You can make it super wide and super tall. But yeah, you can do so many things with shapes in Excel. You can change how the shape looks, just like change its size. You can also change the color of the shape, and let me show you how to do that. Let me make this look a little like a square so it looks neat. But yeah, here's my rectangle. I'm gonna go to home. If I want to change the color of the rectangle, you go to home. You go under font in the ribbon. You go to the section called font. You see this little paint thingy right here. It's called fill color. You can change what color you want to fill the rectangle as. If you click on this drop down button, there's a bunch of different colors, okay? Right now, I'll use yellow because that's my default for some reason. I'll click fill color. And now my rectangle is yellow. And yeah, you can use many different colors. Now it's brown. Now it's purple. Now it's pink. But yeah, and now it's black. But yeah, you guys can change the color of your rectangle to make it look like just just like a rectangle. Now it's white. But yeah, you just change its color, okay? And you can add not just one shape, you can add many shapes. You can create a design. Like, let me show you. I'll just create a simple little guy. The circle, I have a circle right here. That's going to be the one of the eyes. I can control and copy, control C, control V, and then boom, I have another eye. And let's come up with a mouth. for this guy. What can we use as a mouth? Just use this. See, now it looks like a little robot kind of guy. And yeah, you can like give it the feet like a robot, I guess. But yeah, you guys can play around with this. I'll give you some time to play around with the shapes. If you need any help, let me know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. See, now I have another arm for the robot. But yeah, so you can use Excel to make different things. If you guys have a an art project in school or just an art project, you guys want to have you guys want to have fun and create like art, you can use Excel to create different things. Like I just created a simple robot right here. Um, yeah, you can just create many different types of things in Excel using shapes. You can also use pictures, but pictures, you're going to have to search it up, which I'll probably leave for another class. And yeah, if you guys want to go the easy way out instead of building all of this, I see that there's a little smiley face thing in the basic shapes option. You can just click that and boom, you have a smiley face. I'll go to home, change the color of that to yellow. And yeah, there's my smiley face. Um, did everyone get that? Thumbs up. Okay, Tanish, I'll show you again. Okay, Tanish. Basically, you go to insert, you go to shapes, and you click on shapes. Hold on. Click on shapes, and there's a bunch of different shapes, right? Just click on one of them and like a rounded rectangle. Just click on this, and then you'll have a rounded rectangle right here. The shape that you clicked on will appear in your sheet, and you can use that to create many different types of figures. Like I just created a robot. You can create whatever you want using shapes, right? I'll create another robot. Just for example, see, I'm gonna create an eye. What? There. Put that there. Control C and Control V to copy and paste because so the eyes look the same. And now I'll go to Home. I'll go to Fill Color. Make the eyes yellow. And then I'll go to Insert, and I'll add a mouth for my next robot. Let's go to flowchart. Okay, home, fill color, and boom, we have another robot. Okay. And yeah, you can do many things with these shapes. It says flowchart over here. It says call out. You can go here, click on this, and you can enter text in here. See? Hello. Example of text. So yeah, in the flow charts, in these little bubble thingies, you guys can enter text because that's what it's for. It's not only for creating shapes. So you can even type in these. Yes, I can type. See? It's really cool. You guys can type whatever you want in these little, it's hard to see that one. But yeah, you can type whatever you want in these little squares. So you can, it serves many purposes. You can type whatever you want. You can create objects like this robot. And the smiley face right here, you can't really do anything because it's for design or for art. Okay. Um, oh, you're on Google Spreadsheet. Let me see actually. I don't know. I don't I don't really use spreadsheets a lot, but I'll check. Okay, right now I'm in Google Spreadsheet. I'll go to insert. Insert cells, rows. Image, no. Let me see. Okay, Tanish, click on insert, click on insert. Under the insert panel, click on drawing. And remember guys, this is only for people using Google Spreadsheets because they don't have, it's a little bit different from Excel. So under here, now you'll find shape. So you're going to click on shapes, click on this, and then boom, you have everything over here that we have in Excel. Look, you have the smiley face. You have the rectangle. You can create a robot. Create a robot. Those are the eyes. And let's create a mouth. See, yeah, here's your robot. And you can also fill it in a different color, like that. Do yellow. See? And now save and close. And boom, you have it right here. See? Um, Tanish, did you get that? Okay, unmute. Or type your question in the chat if you can't.
Yep, I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Enough.
Okay. Good job.
Thank you.
But yeah, so I'm gonna cancel all this. Share this tab instead. Okay. So basically today, guys, we learned how to do subtraction in Excel using different types of formulas. And we learned how to insert and format shapes to make our spreadsheets more interesting and how they can help represent data and how you can use shapes to basically create art in Excel. And we learned many different tricks using subtraction and many different ways to subtract in Excel. And we created these little robots, and yeah, we learned the basics of how to use shapes in Excel. Do you guys, if you guys have any questions about what we did today, feel free to ask me, or just feel free to unmute and ask me your question, or type your question in the chat.
I'm done.
You're done.
Don't say I'm
Can
done,
you show
Siddharth.
me how? Okay,
Class is
Tanish,
going
I'll
on.
show you.
I'm done.
Tanish, I'll show you how to create a circle. In
Focus, Siddharth. You will get it.
Google spreadsheet. Okay. Tanish, go to insert. Go to, let's see, where is it? Drawing. Once you're here in the drawing panel, let me show you one more time. Go to insert. Go to insert. Go to drawing. Once you're over here, go to see over here next to this, next to the cursor. Go to right here, shape. Click on shape. Go to shapes. And then you see this right here. There's a circle or an oval. Yeah, this is a circle or an oval. Click on that. And then look, you have this little thing. Your cursor looks different now, right? You're going to want to click, hold, and drag. See? And then let go, and you'll have a circle. And you can change the color of that circle. Make it orange, make it yellow, green, blue. But yeah. Did you get that, Tunish?
I'm
Yeah,
looking
okay.
how to make the eyes in the mouth.
No problem. Okay. Um, so thanks for class, guys. Class is basically over. Next class, we'll learn a little bit more about charts and how to create charts better and how to represent our data in charts. But yeah, thanks. Good job. You guys can stick around if you have any questions.
That, do you have any questions?
No.
Why? You should have some questions.
Yeah, can I help with the charts?
You need help with what?
How to do the eyes and mouth?
You need help with the shapes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll help you. Tanish, do you have any questions?
No, I just typed it.
Okay. How to do the eyes and mouth. Okay, let me show you. Um, Guys, so you basically for shapes, you go up here to shape. For oh wait, let me share my screen. You go up here to shapes, click on shapes, click on rectangle, create a rectangle. And then for the eyes, click on circle. You can make circle eyes, doesn't matter. Copy and paste, and then move this one over here to the right. And then for the mouth, you can do this, the flowchart terminator right here for the mouth. Click on that, and then look, you have a mouth. And you can change the color of this as well. Make it yellow, make this yellow, and make that yellow. And there you have a robot with eyes and a mouth. Um, for Excel, it's basically the same thing, Siddharth, but under insert, over here under insert, click on shapes, and then just click on the circle or the rectangle if you want to create your robot or you want to create something. Got it?
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hmm. Okay, stop sharing. Do you guys have any more questions or should I end the meeting? Tanish, any more questions?
Do you
Yes.
have any questions?
No,
Don't put your
let's end the meeting.
no, don't say let.
Okay,
I don't have any questions.
I
You
don't
can't say
Tanish.
I
that's
don't
not good.
I
Like
don't have any questions.
Okay. Bye, Siddharth.
Bye.
You did good.
Thank you.
Tanish, do you have any?
Yes, I do.
Oh, all right. What question do you have, Tanish?
I'm so trying to show my screen this time.
You want to show me your screen?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. Nice, you did it.
So how to do the math?
Go to shapes, click on rectangle. Yep. Now drag a little rectangle for your mouth.
No, this smiley shape.
The smiley face.
Yes.
See. Let me share my screen, okay? Let's see, share Chrome. Okay, look, for the smiley face, delete that. Go here. Go to click on arc. Okay, hold on. To that. And now click on this little thing right here, right? And then you can rotate it. Rotate it until it looks like a smiley face. See? Did you get that, Tanish?
Yes, I'm working on it.
Okay. Let me know when you get it.
Yep, I did.
Okay, good job, Tanish. Okay, should I end the meeting now?
Bye.
Bye, Tanish.